Alright. Yeah. Hello, what's up? Today I want to talk a little bit about the audio on the GoPro. As you may or may not know, you need an external adapter to connect the external microphone to the GoPro. And this little guy is quite expensive. So before I bought the adapter, I was thinking a lot about it, because I don't really like spending money on things I don't need. But then I bought it, and I bought an external microphone, and I tried it. And I wasn't very happy with the result. So I bought a windshield that you can put on the GoPro. And I wanted to compare the windshield to a external mic to see if the external mic is better, and if so, how much better? Is it worth it? So last day I went out and I recorded some clips on like the naked GoPro, and with the GoPro with this windshield, and also with the GoPro connected with the external mic with the adapter. So I want to look at these clips with you. Then you can decide by yourself if you think it's worth it, if you think it's not. So let's review these clips. Yeah, so first up for this comparison we have just the original GoPro Hero 7 Black with its internal microphone. Nothing special, or just the original case, and yeah. Second up we will add the windshield. I got this for like $10 at Amazon, and you simply just put it over the GoPro, something like this. It will prevent this like scratchy noise you can hear when it's blowing a lot. So we'll see if this will work. So we just put it over like this. For the fur comparison we will use the Ulanzi cage with the GoPro audio adapter. As you may know, you need this external GoPro adapter to connect an external microphone to the GoPro. And these are quite expensive. I think I paid like around $70 for this. You could just connect it to the GoPro like this, but with this Ulanzi cage you will get quite a nice package. So just put it in like this. Like that. Then you screw in the adapter like that, and then you can just add the microphone. For this test I will use the Saramonic SR-XM1 mic, which is a very small and convenient mic, which just add it like this. The nice thing about this is you can point it whichever direction you want to. If you want to speak to the camera, you can point it like this if you want to face it against you. Otherwise you could just turn it backwards and talk to the camera while filming other things. Here you just have a door that you sort of slide on, like that. So let's compare this. It's quite a windy day today, so we'll go down to the water here and we will see how the sun compares. As you can see, we have a quite nice April day here in Sweden. The sky is blue, it's a bit cold and a bit windy, but yeah, I'm not complaining. My plan is to go down here to the water, so yeah, maybe we get some nasty conditions for the GoPro down there, so we really can compare. compare the sound between these three alternatives. Okay, so first off here is the GoPro with the internal mic without the windshield. Right now it's like blowing a bit from the side. Turn around a bit and see how the microphone picks up the wind. Yeah, so this is an example. The wind it is quite a bit of wind actually. And when facing the camera the other way, this is the sound of the internal mic of the GoPro without the windshield. So it sounds like this. Now I'm filming with the GoPro with the internal mic with the windshield on, and I'm turning around a bit here as well. It will be interesting to see if the windshield can pick up any of the noise. It is quite a constant breeze here. So yeah, this is how the GoPro sounds with the windshield. And this is the sound we get from the internal mic with the windshield, with the camera facing away from us. And now it's blowing quite a bit, so hopefully we will get some good comparisons. And this is the external microphone, the Saramonic SR-XM1 with the audio adapter and the Lancy cage. And as mentioned, the cool thing about this is that you can turn the microphone the way in which you're speaking. So I could turn the GoPro around and turn the microphone, and I should be able to get the same sound from my voice this way. Yeah, so let's see how this compares to the other alternatives.